Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to use the address function in Excel. The address function is used to return the address of a cell as text based on the row and column numbers you provide. For example, if you give row 1 and column 1, Excel will return the cell reference A1. Writing the formula. First, type equals address referat. Now Excel will show several parameters. One row number. The first parameter is the row number. For example, I will type 1. 2. Column number. After a comma, enter the column number. I will type 1 again. These two parameters are required. Optional parameters. 3. Absolute or relative reference, ab_s score num. This determines how the cell reference will appear. I will choose 4, which means relative reference. 4. Reference style. Next is the reference style. True or 1 A1 style, like A1, B2, C3. False or 0 R1, C1 style, row 1, column 1 format. We will keep the default A1 style. Sheet name. Finally, you can also specify the sheet name by writing it inside quotation marks. For example, sheet 1. Now close the bracket and press enter. Excel will return the address like this, sheet1.A1. This means cell A1 in sheet 1, and that's how the address function works in Excel. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.